BabyBus.
Supermarket.
Welcome! Mew Mew, let's shop at the supermarket together.
I'd like to. We need to buy these things. Beverages section. Find out the drinks you want. Awesome! Snacks section. Find the snacks that are on the list. You're so smart. You're so smart. Prepared foods. Find out food you need. Awesome! 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 Cake section.
Bake a cake you like.
Daily necessities section. Find out daily necessities. You're so smart. Clothes section. Choose the right one. You look great. Correct. You look great. Fish section. Find the one you want. Awesome. Correct. Cosmetics section. Choose the cosmetics and jewelry you need. Correct. Done! Let's pay. Hello! Please put lemonade, candy, jelly, wrap, cake, toothbrush, dress, hat, shoe, fish, lipstick. How would you like to pay? Mobile payment. Wow, you've bought a lot of products. Here's a lucky draw ticket for you. I hope you can win a big prize. Thank you very much. We have finished shopping. Thank you for your help. Welcome. I have to do the grocery shopping today. Kiki, could you help me?
Okay, count on me.
We need to buy these things. Beverages section. Find out the drinks you want. Correct.
Yay!
Fruit and vegetable section. Find all the fruits and vegetables you need. You're so smart. Which should I tap to weigh fruits and vegetables? All done. You're great.
Yay!
Snack section. Find the snacks that are on the list. Awesome! Awesome!
Yay!
Prepared foods. Find out food you need. Correct. 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 Daily necessities section. Find out daily necessities you want to buy. You're so smart.
Yay!
Cake section.
Bake a cake you like.
Fish section. Find the one you want. You're so smart. Awesome. Correct.
Yay!
Cosmetics section. Choose the cosmetics and jewelry you need. You're so smart.
Yay!
Done! Let's pay. Hello! Mushroom, candy, mineral, chocolate, hamburger, napkin, cake, fish, jewelry.
How would you like to pay?
Cash.
Wow, you've bought a lot of products. Here's a lucky draw ticket for you. I hope you can win a big prize. Thank you very much.
We have finished shopping. Thank you for your help.